Going on, guys, let's look at this problem right here. This question is asking a radio wave is produced by a tower act like a point source. A receiver measures the intensity of this signal at varying distances. At a distance of 5 km, the receiver measures the power of 43 watts per meter square. At 10 km, what intensity does the receiver measure? And first we had 5 km, and at that time we had 43 watts per meter square. Here the question is asking at 10 km distance what's going to be the intensity. So we have to know what happens to the intensity when the distance changes, right? So we have to know the relationship between intensity and the distance. To find this one, we can use the intensity equation. I is equal to P over A. Okay, now let's see. P over area is surface area, and we know that surface area we are considering a sphere, and for a sphere the surface area is 4 pi r square. Okay, this 4 pi doesn't do anything. We are only considering this r, and this r is inversely proportional to this intensity. So intensity is inversely proportional to r square, and from this one we can create the equation I1 r1 square is equal to I2 r2 square. Here what we are trying to find is I2, because initially we had this distance and intensity. We are trying to find when the distance is 10 km, what's going to be the intensity. To find that one, we have to rearrange this equation. I2 is going to be equivalent to I1 r1 square divided by r2 square. Now let's go ahead and plug the values. I1 is 43 watts per meter square times r1 square. Initial distance was 5 km. I am keeping the unit as it is because if you look at this one, in the denominator we have the same unit, so the units are going to cancel each other, so we can keep the same unit. Okay, 5, and this is square, divided by 10 km, so this is going to be 10 square, and this will become 25, this will become 100. So we are going to have 43 times 25 over 100, that's going to be 1 over 4, and if you calculate this value, you will get 10.75 watts per meter square, and in 0 decimal places this is going to be just 11 watts per meter square, and that's going to be our final answer. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.